Cleaning the inside of your Godrej microwave has never been easier. The Steam Clean option on the Godrej microwave keep the inside of your microwave clean and smelling fresh, with just a cup of clean water. Place 100 ml water glass bowl after adding 2 teaspoons of lemon juice in the microwave oven. Select the Steam Clean option. On of the power steam, loosen the food residuals stuck to the wall in just 5 minutes. Your microwave oven cavity is ready to wipe now. By using just a cup of water in the Godrej Steam Clean option, you can ensure your cavity of the microwave is sparkling clean without the need to expensive cleaning material.